Hello everyone. Hey, my wife's been out of town for a few days and my son's out of town also. It's Monday afternoon, Monday evening. I just got home from work, so I want something easy for supper. So I'm going to make some pinto beans in the Instant Pot, and I'm also going to make a pan of cornbread. And for dessert, I'm going to have something that's really easy, but it's really good. It's a cherry cream cheese pie. So I'm going to show you the beans over here. I'll show you how I make the pie, and I'll see if I can figure out how to link my cornbread video somewhere in this video so you can watch it if you haven't seen it on how I make my cornbread. But these beans are easy. They just take a little while, but they're easy to make. I've got everything here in the Instant Pot. There's 1 pound of dried pinto beans. There's 1 teaspoon of salt. There's 2 teaspoons of cumin. There's 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon. I've got 4 slices of bacon cut up in there, and I've got 8 cups of water. We'll put it all in the Instant Pot, and I stir it up a little bit just to mix the spices. And we're going to put the Instant Pot on manual setting for 90 minutes of pressure and allow pressure to naturally release, which takes about 30 to 40 minutes. And once they're done, you can taste them. If you think they need more salt, go ahead and add it. But they are really good, especially on some cornbread with some butter on it. And I will put the ingredients down in the description also. 2 weeks ago, I shared my Meemaw, my great grandmother's chicken and dumpling recipe. Well, I'm going to share another one of her recipes with you tonight. This one is really easy, really quick. This is a cherry cream cheese pie, and this was her favorite pie. The only ingredients is 1 block of cream cheese, softened, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then a can of cherry pie filling, or you can use strawberry or blueberry, whatever you prefer. But basically, what we do is really easy. We put the cream cheese in, and it's been sitting out on the counter, so it's softened. And I got generic brand. I got dollar store brand because there is no grocery store on my way home from work, and the only thing available is the Dollar General. So I got the Dollar General Clover brand, not Eagle brand, but Clover brand sweetened condensed milk. I got the Clover brand cream cheese, and even the pie filling. I got cherry, and it's the Clover brand. My mom, she's kind of particular. She would probably go to HEB and get name brand like Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk, and I don't even know what a name brand pie filling is. But right now, all we've got in our bowl is the cream cheese and the sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to take a mixer and mix that well. I had the mixer going pretty high speed as I slowly pulled it out, and that way it slings all of our good stuff off of the beaters here and into the bowl. You don't want to pull it out too fast, or you'll have it all over yourself in the kitchen. Also, forgot to mention my pie filling. As soon as I got home, I stuck the can of pie filling in the refrigerator because I want it to be chilled. Because after I put this first mixture in the pie crust, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit up and get firm. But we've got our cream cheese and our sweetened condensed milk mixed together. So now we're going to add our 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And we're going to get a teaspoon of vanilla. My mom in the recipe that's been passed down through our family has written Adams brand vanilla. Well, I've got vanilla that I got from Mexico and put it in. I got a big bottle from Mexico and put it in smaller glass bottles. So I'm using some Mexican vanilla. You use whatever brand you like. Mama's not there watching you. All right, now that we've got that in there, we're just going to take our spatula and we're going to stir to mix that all together well. After you get your sweetened condensed milk, cream cheese, lemon juice, and vanilla extract mixed together, we're going to dump it into our graham cracker pie crust. You can make your own if you want to. I don't. I buy it. It's a lot easier and it tastes good. And again, I bought the dollar store Clover brand graham cracker crust because that's what I had available on my way home today. And it's cheaper. Everything costs so much nowadays, you got to save money where you can. Okay, we got that in our graham cracker crust, so we're going to try to spread it around evenly. Which I'm not real good at making stuff look pretty, but I'll do my best. And if you want to leave more room for the pie filling, you can put a little less of this in there if you want. But this cream cheese part of it is my favorite part, so I'm using all of it. I'll just pile the pie filling up on top. That's good stuff. Now we're going to put our little plastic lid on top, and I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator for probably an hour. You can leave it longer if you want. It'll help set it up and firm it up, so that way whenever you put your pie filling on, it does better. And whenever we get ready to pull it out of the refrigerator and put the pie filling on, we'll come back. All right, I pulled our pie out of the refrigerator. It was in there for about an hour and 15 minutes, along with the pie filling. And I'm getting ready to put the filling on top. Try to be as gentle as I can here so I don't mess it all up. Just spread this around, cover the top. And that's it. I mean, you can eat it at this point if you want. It's ready to eat. But I haven't had supper yet, so I'm going to stick it back in the refrigerator so that it can firm up even more. And then after I finish supper, we'll cut us a piece. And it's going to be really good, I can tell you. Hey, I just want to thank everyone for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you would, please like, subscribe, and comment. And please also share with your friends. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, our beans in the Instant Pot are ready. And I can tell you the whole house smells good. If they taste as good as they smell, they're going to be really good. So I got a piece of warm cornbread with some butter on it here. And I'm going to put me some of these beans on top of that cornbread and butter. And I'm going to get some of this bean juice put on top of it. And then I'm going to eat. And after I eat my beans and cornbread, I'm going to get that cherry cream cheese pie out, and I'm going to have a piece of it. I guarantee you it's going to be good. All right, I finished my beans and cornbread, and it was really good. But now I'm ready for a piece of this cherry cream cheese pie, and I can promise you it's going to be good. That's really good. Perfect ending to a good meal.